Hello students, this is Vinay sir, your mathematics teacher. Once again I welcome you all to the online class organized by Alchemy School. In previous class we all have discussed what is square and how we can find the square of any number. Today we are going to start a new exercise, that is exercise 6.1. So let's see what is given in question number 1. In question number 1, what will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers? Some numbers are given here in question number 1 and we have to find what will be the unit digit of the square of these given numbers. So while we are going to find the unit digit of the square of the given number, we have to keep in our mind if any number ends with 1. It means अगर किसी नंबर में यूनिट के प्लेस पे 1 होता है सो उस नंबर के स्क्वायर में भी यूनिट के प्लेस पे 1 होगा बिकॉज 1 into 1 we get 1. Okay, if any number ends with 2, it means if any number contain 2 on its unit place, so its square contain 4. Why 4? Because 2 into 2 we get 4. If any number contain 3 on its unit place, so the square of that number contain 9 on its unit place. If any number contain 4 on unit place, the square of that number contain 6 on its unit place because 4 into 4 we get 16 and in 16 we get 6 on unit place. If any number contain 5 on its unit place, the square of that number again contain 5 on its unit place because 5 into 5 is equal to 25 and in 25 the unit place will be 5. The same way if any number contains 6 we get 6 on the unit place of the square of that number. If any number contains 7 on its unit place, the square of that number contains 9 on the unit place because 7 into 7 we get 49 and in 49 the unit digit will be 9. The same way if any number contains 8, so the square of that number contains 4 on its unit place. If any number contains 9, the square of that number contains 1 on its unit place because 9 into 9 is equal to 81 and in 81 the unit place will be 1. If any number contains 0 on its unit place, the square of that number also contains 0 on its unit place. So students, we can see if any number contains 1, its square also contains 1. If any number contains 2 on its unit place, the square of that number contains 4 on unit place. If any number contains 3, so the square of that number contains 9 on its unit place. If any number contains 4, the square of that number contains 6 on its unit place. If any number contains 5, the square of that number contains 5 on its unit place. If any number contains 6 on its unit place, the square of that number contains 6 on its unit place. If any number contains 7 on its unit place, the square of that number contains 9 on its unit place. If any number contains 8 on its unit place, the square of that number contains 4 on its unit place. The same way, if any number contains 9 on its unit place, so the square of that number will contain 1 on its unit place. If any number contains 0 on its unit place, the square of that number will contain 0 on its unit place. So this is the way how we can find the unit place of the square of the given number by observing the unit digit of the given number. Okay, so when we observe the first number we have 81. So when we observe the unit place, easily we can say that the square of 81 contain 1 on its unit place. Okay, in second number we can see the unit digit is 2. So when we are going to find the square of 272, the unit digit of square of 272 will be 4. Okay, because when any number contains 2 on its unit place, the square of that number contains 4 on its unit place. The same way, in the third number, the unit place is 9. So when we are going to find the square of 799, the unit place of the square of 799 will be 1. Okay, because when any number contain 9 on its unit place, the square of that number will contain 1 on its unit place. Okay, so the same procedure you have to apply with the other numbers, and easily you can find the unit place of the square of that given number. Let's see the next question, that is question number 2. Okay, so in question number 2, the following numbers are not the perfect square of any number. Give reason. Some numbers are given here in question number 2, and these given numbers are not the perfect square of any number. But why they are not the perfect square of any number, we have to give the reason. Okay, so when we observe the first number, we will find that the first number is 1057. 1057 and with 7. Okay, so students, we all have discussed here, if any number ends with 1, उसके स्क्वायर में भी यूनिट का प्लेस 1 होगा. अगर किसी नंबर में यूनिट का प्लेस 2 होता है तो उसके स्क्वायर में यूनिट का प्लेस 4 होगा. अगर किसी नंबर में यूनिट का प्लेस 3 होता है उसके स्क्वायर में यूनिट का प्लेस 9 होगा. If any number ends with 4, its square contain 6 on its unit place. If any number ends with 5, its square also contain 5. If any number ends with 6, its square also ends with 6. If any number ends with 7, its square contain 9 on its unit place. If any number contain 8 on its unit place, then its square contain 4 on its unit place. If any number contain 9 on its unit place, so its square contain 1 on its unit place. If any number contains 0 on unit place, so its number contain 0 on its unit place. Along with it, we have to remember, in the square of any number, always the 0 will be in pairs. It means the number of 0 will be 2, 4, 6, 8 in even numbers. Okay, so on the basis of this information we can say, अगर कोई नंबर के लास्ट में 2 है, 3 है, 7 है या फिर 8 है, सो वो नंबर किसी भी नंबर का परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं होगा, बिकॉज वी कैन सी हियर वी आर नॉट गेटिंग 2, 3, 7 and 8 at the end of the square of any number. Okay, so in the first number we can see the number ends with 7, so 1057 is not a perfect square because it ends with 7. Okay, the same way the second number 23,453 contain 3 on its unit place, so we can write 23,453 is not a perfect square Why it is not a perfect square? Because it ends with 3. Okay, because it contains 3 on its unit place. Okay, the same way we can see here the number we have 64,000. I told you at the end of the number of zeros should be even. Okay, so here we can find the number of 0 is odd here, so this number is also not the perfect square. So we can write 64,000 is not a perfect square because it contains 30 at the end. Okay, so the same procedure you can apply with another questions and you can solve it by yourself. We are going to see the next question, that is question number 3. So let's see what is given in question number 3. Okay, so let's see the question number 3. Question number 3 is the square of which of the following would be odd number. Okay, before we solve this question, we have to remember one thing. The square of any even number always will be even. The same way, the square of any odd number always will be odd. Okay, so by observing these given number, easily we can find that this is 431 and 431 is the odd number. Okay, so it will be the square of any odd number. So we can write 431 will be the square of any odd number. The same way, when we observe the second number, we will find that this second number is an even number. So this number will be the square of any even number. The same way, when we observe the third number, we will find that this number is an odd number. So this will be also the square of any odd number. So we can write here 7779 will be the square of any odd numbers. Okay, in the next number we can see this is an even number, so this number also will be the square of any even number. So you have to remember the thing, the square of any even number always will be even and the square of any odd number always will be odd. Okay students, so now we are going to take the next question, that is question number 4. So let's see what is given in question number 4. Okay, so next question that we are going to discuss here, that is question number 4. Let's see what is given in question number 4. Question number 4, observe the following pattern and find the missing digits. Okay, so students, we have to observe these pattern here and we have to find these missing numbers. Okay, so when we observe the first step, we can see this is the 11 square and the value of 11 square is 121. Okay, this is 101 square and the value of 101 square will be 10,201. In this we can see this is 1, then 0, this 2 and then again 0 and then it has 1. Okay, when we follow the third step, we can see this is 1001 square and here also we can see the pattern. It has 1, then 0, 0, 2, 0, 0 and 1. Okay, before 2 it has 2, 0 and after 2 it has 2, 0 and in the question we can see it has also 2, 0. The same way, if it has 4, 0, so we can write here before it will include 4, 0 and after 2 again it will include 4, 0. So we are continuing the pattern here. When we observe the next number, it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in the middle we have to write 2 and before 2 we have to write 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 2 we have to again write 6, 0 to follow the pattern and at the end we have to write 1 and at the beginning we have to write 1. So this will be the answer of this question. Okay, so practice for this question. When we meet again, then we'll take some more question from the same exercise. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, stay safe and stay at home. Thank you so much.